What's going on, guys? Crazy Sports Cards 14 here. My table's kind of a mess, but one package mail day from guy on CnC. You may know him, Dwight, aka Urban Monk, the mod, one of the mods. And he sent me some extras, which is always appreciated. Okay, so make sure it's empty for a sec. It's empty. So starting off, memorable moments of Lemieux and Gretzky. It's like a duel, and what product is from? Oh, it's a universal base of Alex Ovechkin. It's from some Upper Deck promotion thing. Oh, that's a cool card. The card we traded for is a cool card. Then from SPX, rookie of Tyler Toffoli, and that is not numbered. And the same universal base of Sven Baertschi. Then the card we traded for. Where's it at? There it is. Number 8 of 25. Focus. 8 of 25. You can't really see it. Fire on Ice of Nick Bjugstad. That's the, I want to call it the Emerald version. But yeah, Fire on Ice rookie, number 8 of 25, Nick Bjugstad. So that's obviously not available. All the extras are available if you guys are interested. Thanks for watching, guys, and please don't forget my mystery packs. They're insane deals. You've already seen one opened, and then there's a few others that still owe me money that will be coming in the next few days. And you'll see some more open packs. 1, 3, 5, and 6 are still available. 15 to US, 18 to Canada, guaranteed prime patch or jersey auto, and then 2 additional hits, a rookie and a numbered card. So PM me if you want any of those. Thanks for watching, guys.